Nestled in the heart of East Sacramento, Kit Carson International Academy is all about creating a better world through education. That goal is realized by way of an exciting, yet challenging curriculum known as International Baccalaureate.
So the International Baccalaureate is a world-renowned organization that believes in teaching a rigorous set of subjects so that students are prepared for the university and to be successful beyond that.
Analogous. Say it again. Analogous. Excellent.
The International Baccalaureate philosophy includes a tie-in to global awareness. That's an important part of the program, so that students not only understand how their actions impact them locally, but also across the world.
I'm seeing some pretty good answers. What'd you write down there?
When we shifted to the International Baccalaureate model, we were looking at a specialized program, 7 through 12, which is rare, that really had that high academic focus, that had the international mindedness. We're at a very multicultural school. Our school really represents the world.
¿Sabes qué son recursos?
The international approach to education begins on day one for all students in Spanish class.
Sí.
Yes, at our school you start taking Spanish in the 7th grade and you have Spanish all the way through your senior year. So in the 7th grade it's more an introduction to the language itself, and then in the 8th grade we just keep building on that. The 9th and 10th grade programs, they start to get more concept-based and more inquiry-based, and then juniors and seniors, there's no more English in the classroom by that time. So
¿Qué es no importa?
Usually in school you're learning math and science and history and you're using that left side of your brain, but speaking another language is opening the artistic side of your brain and you're like, okay, this is a whole new concept, but here I am having fun with it.
The IB program is broken down into 2 parts, the middle years program and the Diploma Programme.
With the middle school program, or MYP, it actually affects all students, regardless of designation. So English learners, special ed students, honor students, all of them work at it. It's the same curriculum that they would have for anywhere else, only it's got an international mindedness flair.
The Diploma Programme is a deeper dive into creativity, activity, and service.
P program starts in 11th grade and ends through 12th. It's a 2-year course. It's pretty much you're taking college level courses as a junior in high school.
It prepares us because we learn about different cultures and we learn their customs and stuff, and it's all about respect. It's respectful language, a respectful culture, and so definitely it prepares you for people you're going to interact with in the future and professions that you might have.
Throughout their years at Kit Carson, students adhere to a set of principles designed to enhance learning.
The IB vision includes these learner profile traits, and those are traits like collaboration, traits like being caring, being principled, and those are the kinds of traits that in today's environment, students really need to be explicitly taught about how to get along with each other, how to appreciate the diversity of different communities, and how to set up our society for future success.
It creates, I think, independent learners and lifelong learners.
So how many of you now found the answer either in your composition book or in your sketchbook? Raise your hands now.
The teachers are lifelong learners as well.
The staff here is very highly collaborative. We work together. We expect our kids to be high achievers and meet high expectations, so why shouldn't we as teachers do the same thing? And so we're constantly training and working together and collaborating.
Kit Carson International Academy is one of Sacramento's jewels, a small school with a vision to change the world.
We expanded from a small middle school to a middle school, high school that will always remain small. We currently have about 400 middle school students and about 200 high school students. That allows us to retain those qualities of a small school that are so important in terms of really getting to know students in our community.
I think that small schools have a benefit for me because of the relationships that I have with our teachers and with our students, and we see they really do want us to succeed.
I learned that there's a lot of people who were raised different than me, who have different cultural backgrounds as me, and I'm having so much fun, and it's so hard at the same time, but it's so worth it.